Plastic, which was initially thought to be a boon but turned out to be a curse, which was once celebrated as a miracle material in the early 20th century, is increasingly becoming face of all that is wrong with our civilization. It has an overwhelming impact upon the way we live, and it is increasingly becoming popular because of its cheap nature and versatility. But this miracle material has many problems like environmental hazards and poisonous effects.
The most visible and disturbing impacts of marine plastics are suffocation, ingestion, and compromising hundreds of marine species. Most species like whales, fishes, turtles mistake plastic waste for prey, and most of them die of ingestion or starvation because their stomach is filled with plastic waste.
Today, millions of tons of plastic that is swirling around the world's ocean has gathered a lot of media's attention. But many are not aware that plastic pollution poses a higher threat to plants and animals which are based on land. Only 9% is recycled, while the 12% is burnt, and the rest 79% is accumulated into landfills. As most of the part is accumulated in landfills, it may take up to 1,000 years to decompose, which may lead toxic substances into soil and water.
Research estimates that around 50% of the plastic is used just once and thrown away. Annually, approximately 500 billion plastic bags are used worldwide. More than 1 million bags are used every minute. A plastic bag has an average working life of 15 minutes.
We're talking about some of the general ways by which you can reduce your plastic usage. Avoid using single-use plastics like straws. Whenever you go out, do not always buy water, but instead carry reusable water bottles with you. Try carrying cloth and jute bags with you when you go out for shopping. Try finding and contacting a recycler who lives near your place and get all the plastic which you use at home recycled. Reusing is also very important, so try to use things more and more often instead of just buying new ones when you don't have to. And remember, prevention is always better than fixing the damage caused.
So we as a team thought of an idea to use bricks made up of plastic instead of clay bricks because the clay bricks or the normal bricks used nowadays have a lot of disadvantages. Talking about the disadvantages of normal bricks, these bricks are one of the main reason of time consuming construction. They have low tensile strength and cannot be used in high seismic zone areas. When we talk about the environmental impact of these bricks are one of the main reason of air pollution, land degradation and nutrient disorder in plants. Air pollution is mainly caused due to burning of coal to dry up the bricks, and land degradation is caused due to extraction of raw material for the bricks.
For the trend of plastic bricks is because these plastic bricks are more durable, lighter, and even stronger than the general clay bricks. If you talk about the size of these plastic bricks, it's like bigger than the general clay bricks, and due to these less usage, it reduces the construction cost. And moreover, in case of fire, these plastic bricks are not flammable.